Here we see a human holding a glass of tomato juice, the internal organs fully exposed in anatomical detail. As the tomato juice enters the mouth and travels to the stomach, the digestive system begins its intricate process. The stomach churns and breaks down the tomato juice, turning it into absorbable nutrients. These nutrients then enter the intestines, where they are absorbed into the bloodstream, glowing particles spreading through the body. The nutrients energize the organs and muscles, illuminating the entire body with vitality. The nutrients from tomato juice boost brain function, activating glowing neurons and firing synapses. Muscles receive nourishment, highlighted with nutrient flow, improving strength and recovery. The gut microbiome glows with health, supporting digestion and immunity. The body radiates energy from the core, illustrating the overall vitality and wellness achieved through tomato juice. Excessive intake of tomato juice can also have side effects. The stomach may become irritated, tissue inflamed. Allergic reactions appear as redness on the skin. Blood sugar spikes with